Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for simonsaysstamp.com, and I have a special limited edition Easter kit to show you, which is perfect to get you into the mood for your spring cards. I'm going to start with our 6x8 stamp set. This is called You Make Me Hoppy, and it is full of really cute bunnies, lambs, sunshine, everything that you need for your Easter cards. Now we've collaborated with Doodlebug for these images, so they match all the other items in this kit perfectly. Next up is the sweet Doodle Pop, and this is a little bunny. You also get some greens and flowers, and these are 3D. They are already stacked up and ready to go, and it's on a sticker, so you can just place them onto your cards. And speaking of stickers, we have 2 sheets of the Doodlebug Hippity Hoppity, and these have some really unique images with the bunnies in cars. There's trees, clouds, flowers, eggs, balloons, really fun things that you can add in combinations to make some really fun scenes. We've designed a new stencil to coordinate with this kit, and this is called Egg Hunt, and it's a really fine detail eggs, and I have a sample here where I have just done some color blending. You'll also get the Gina K blending brush in this kit so that you can use them with your 4-pack of Simon Says Stamp hybrid inks, and these are our spring flower colors. We've also designed a special little chick die for this kit, and you can die cut different papers. I have a sample here where I have cut the belly in white paper and did a little bit of ink blending, and then added some black eyes, a little beak, and some cheeks. What's super fun about this die is that we are also including 2 of these yellow pom-poms, and you can cut out the belly and just place the chick right onto that pom-pom, and it sits right in that belly area and it stands on its own. Super cute for your spring and Easter decorating. Also included in this kit is a Tim Holtz 3D texture fade, and this one is called Intertwined. It is a really deep etched embossing folder, and I have a sample where I have used it on the pink paper, and it is really beautiful. It reminds me of a basket weave, and this would be great for a background. The papers for this kit are 6x6, and there are 12 sheets. These are also from Doodlebug, and this is their Hippity Hoppity collection. I'll go through these individually and try to explain some of these. So we have a blue paper with bunnies, and the back side has some little carrots on an orange background. There are flowers with little pattern centers with a pink polka dot background. And this next one's quite unique. It's pink on pink, so it's a tone on tone. Let's see if I can get this close enough. But it has all the icons that you can find in the stickers, and the back side is a nice rainbow grid pattern. There are tiny rainbow flowers, and on the back side is some stripes and patterns. Also a yellow sheet that has little chicks, and on the back side of that are some polka dots in the rainbows. Another borders type paper, and the back side is a pink gingham pattern. There's a cute green sheet with houses and all the little bunnies in their cars, and the back side of that is a teal blue with little bunny head patterns. Next is a colorful sheet of Easter eggs, and the back side is a beautiful pastel rainbow. And a fun sheet of carrots, and on the back side is some green grasses. There's also a beautiful rainbow plaid, and the back side has those little pieces that you can cut up and put on your tags and cards. So that is by Doodlebug, Hippity Hoppity, 12 sheets, double-sided. We're also including some treat bags in your kit, and these are 5 of the craft treat bags. We're also including 5 white treat bags, and these are really fun size. You can use these with the stencil or your papers, and also all those stickers. And I found that the little die cut chick will fit just perfectly onto those. We also have 3 envelopes for this kit. The first one is Lemon Chiffon Mini Slimline. Also the metallic sea glass, which has a beautiful shine to that. And finally we have the Simon Says Stamp white envelope. And these all have that adhesive pull away, so you don't have to lick them to stick them. We have 5 cardstocks for you. This first one is Juicy Pear by Basil, 1 sheet of 80-pound Nina white cardstock, and Cotton Candy, Banana, and Lavender from Simon Says Stamp, 100-pound cardstocks. And up next, I have some inspiration that I've created using the contents of this kit. My first card features that stencil, and I've created a background. I've also blended white ink with it onto the treat bag, added some stickers, and finally a message at the bottom. And my next card features the stamps, where I've used the bunnies on a bike and also the sun shining cloud to create a fun scene. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our limited edition Easter card kit. It will be available while supplies last. Be sure to check out our blog post linked below for additional inspiration, and as always, thanks so much for watching.